Avora merge the intersection of style, sustainability, and self expression. When you think about merchandise, the first things that may come to mind are catchy designs, cool logos, and the pride of representing a brand you believe in. But at Avora Nature, merch is more than just clothing. It's a statement, a commitment to quality, sustainability, and a lifestyle rooted in balance, authenticity, and care for both people and planet. Today, we are going deep into the world of Avora merch. We'll explore what makes it unique, why it's more than just apparel, and how each piece tells a story. Not only about fashion, but also about philosophy of living. This is for everyone who values style with purpose. The birth of Avora merch. Avora Nature began with a simple but powerful idea to harness the natural benefits of avocado in skincare and hair care products. But as the brand grew, something interesting happened. People didn't just love the product or the products, they connected with the mission. Customers wanted a way to wear that mission to show the world that they were part of something that cared for both beauty and sustainability. That's where Avora merch was born. The collection isn't just an afterthought, it's designed from the ground up to embody the same principles that define Avora Nature's products. We got premium quality materials that last, eco-conscious production methods, versatile designs that suit multiple lifestyles. More than clothing, a lifestyle statement. If you ever bought a hoodie or a t-shirt from a brand you believe in, you know it's not just about the fabric, it's about what it represents. Wearing Avora merch is about identifying with a movement, one that blends self-care, natural beauty, and environmental responsibility. We live in a time when fashion can feel disposable. Trends move so fast that clothes are often worn a few times before they end up back of a closet, or worse, in a landfill. Avora merch takes the opposite approach, timeless design, durable fabrics, and styles that don't age with seasons. The colors are intentionally versatile, pieces that you can wear whether you're going for coffee, heading to a gym, or working from home. They're designed for comfort and confidence. So you feel good the moment you put them on. The quality factor built to last. One of the biggest issues with fast fashion is quality, or rather the lack of it. You buy a hoodie, it looks amazing for the first two washes, and then it starts to lose its shape, color, and softness. That doesn't happen with Avora merch. Each piece is crafted from premium, sustainable fabrics that hold their structure and softness for years when cared for properly. The stitching is reinforced, the fabrics are breathable yet durable, and the overall feel is that of a product made to be lived in, or to be lived in, not just looked at. And because then And because these items are made to last, they inherently reduce waste. You're not replacing them every few months, which is better for your wallet and the environment. Sustainability, the heart of the brand. At Avora Nature, sustainability isn't a marketing buzzword, it's a part of the DNA. The same care that goes into sourcing avocado-based ingredients for skincare is reflected in the sourcing of fabrics and the manufacturing of merch. Where possible, materials are organic, recycled, or responsibly sourced. The production process aims to minimize environmental impact, from water use to waste management. Packaging is kept simple and eco-friendly because sustainability doesn't stop at the product. It extends to every touchpoint between brand and customers. By choosing Avora merch, you're not just wearing clothing, you're making a choice that aligns with a better, more conscious future. Design that speaks without shouting. Fashion is a form of communication. What you wear tells people something about you before you even say a word. Avora merch speaks softly but powerfully. Instead of loud, flashy logos or over-complicated designs, the branding is subtle. This makes the pieces adaptable. You can pair them with just about anything and they still make an impact. Whether it's a premium eco hoodie, the timeless t-shirt, or accessories, each item is designed to look effortlessly yet intentional. You won't feel like you're wearing promo merch. Instead, you will feel like you're wearing designer quality streetwear that just happens to carry a deeper meaning. Comfort meets functionality. Let's be honest. If it's not comfortable, you are not going to wear it often. Avora merch doesn't sacrifice comfort for style. The hoodies are soft and warm without being heavy. The shirts are breathable and perfect for layering. Even the cuts are thoughtfully designed to fit a variety of body shapes comfortably. This is merch you can wear every single day, not just when you're making a statement, but when you're living everyday life. How to care for Avora merch, longevity tips. A big part of sustainability is making your clothes last. Avora Nature provides simple care tips to keep your merch looking fresh for years. Wash on a gentle cycle with cold water. Avoid harsh detergent. Air dry when possible to reduce fabric stress. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Following these steps isn't just about keeping your hoodie or t-shirt in good condition, it's about respecting the craftsmanship and resources that went into making it. Why Avora merch stands out in a crowded market. The market is flooded with branded clothing, so what makes Avora merch different? First one is authenticity. It's rooted in a genuine mission, not just a marketing trend. Premium quality, materials and craftsmanship that truly deliver. Sustainability, thoughtful eco-conscious choices at every stage. Number 4 is versatility, styles that fit effortlessly into everyday life. And the last one, number 5, is community connection. It's about being a part of something bigger than yourself. The emotional connection wearing your values. One of the most powerful things about Avora, about merch, is the emotional connection it creates. When you wear Avora merch, you're not just covering your body, you're projecting your values into the world. It tells people you care about quality, you care about planet, you believe in self-care, inside and out, you support brands that align with your beliefs. This isn't just about fashion, it's about identity. My final thoughts, why Avora merch is worth it. If you have ever bought clothing and felt regret a month later, you know the cost of compromise. Avora merch is about eliminating that regret. It's an investment in quality, style, and purpose. Every piece is a reminder that fashion can be beautiful, durable, and meaningful. It can be a part of a bigger mission, and when you wear it, you're not just following a trend, you're leading a movement. So whether you are looking for a hoodie that feels like a hug, a t-shirt that becomes your go-to, or simply a way to represent a brand that stands for something or something real, Avora merch is for you. As always, thank you for watching. Use the code NEWSEARCH10 for the first order to get 10% discount. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share a like, and as always, stay natural, stay Avora.